Good afternoon guys, right, it's James from Motorhome Retrofits. Today's video we've been working on this Adria Twin Supreme. It's on a Fiat Ducato base. It's not a coach built, it's just a sliding door van that's got a really nice bespoke interior, obviously camper van interior. It's a 70 plate, so it's brand new, or brand spanking, it's only done a few miles, and the vehicle has come to us from the local dealer for front and rear parking sensors. So it's an aftermarket system because they don't do factory, but what we have done is our usual quality. It doesn't have to be colour coded on here because it's a satin black bumper. They're surface mounted sensors, so you don't get flush ones, and they are nice and neat and tidy. 4 holes drilled, cable goes up inside the vehicle, and Richard and Mark today have done a really nice install of the internal buzzer. And what they've done is they've done the internal cupboards, taken out one of the cupboards and brought the buzzer halfway along so that you can hear it, because this is a little bit more refined to some of the vans where you've got open pockets in cubby holes. So we've got a rear sensor that is activated on reverse gear. Now we'll make our way to the front. Okay, so the front of the vehicle, again, it's the facelift Fiat Ducato setup. Now we've got 4 sensors at the front, 2 either side of the number plate and 1 either side or just below or above the fog light or the grille there. And again, what we've done is we've routed all the cabling in through the engine bay. Now I'll get Tim to just jump in the back of the van here, and I'll pop the van into reverse just so that he can not really show you where the buzzer is, but give you an idea, because what we have tried to do is we've tried to make the rear buzzer as neat as possible without it being on show. So you'll hear that as soon as I put it into reverse. Oh, I'm just going to start the engine up. I'm going to pop it into reverse. And okay, loud enough for the driver and the passenger, but not on show for it to be intrusive in any way, shape or form. Now, in a vehicle like this, we never fit a front buzzer. We'll always do a rear buzzer, front display combination. And the reason for that is because if you have a front buzzer and you park too close to somebody at a roundabout, traffic lights, it drives you potty. Then you have to fit a switch. If you fit a switch, generally customers forget to turn it back on again. So we do a fail-safe installation. What we've done is a really nice, neat display. I've done it in a perfect location so that it doesn't get in the way of the blind, anything that's curved on the dashboard, and it looks really, really nice. Can't even talk. It looks really nice and neat and tidy. Plus it's got this sort of smoke finish on the display. Now at the moment, we're in reverse gear. So what I've done is, even though it's aftermarket kit, I've set it up so that the front system knows when it's in reverse gear. So if the van is sliding out like this and you're reversing and the front end is moving out, then you've got the front sensors on as well and active. So when I take it out of reverse gear, like so, system disarms. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get Mark to walk to the front of the vehicle. Mark, can you just stand about 1 metre away, please? And when I put my foot on the front brake, which activates the front kit like so, the sensors come up. Now Mark's going to come a little bit closer. Now, at the moment, you can see that Mark is right in front of the driver, and we've got all 5 lights lit up, and he moves more central to the vehicle. We'll get then another one, bit closer. That's it. So now we've gone fully loaded on the right hand side. He's going to stand sideways. And we've got the left-hand sensors coming up, and as soon as he comes in a bit more, you can see that we're flatlining. Now 2 red lines means that he is within 1 foot of something, an obstacle, or the driver is within one foot. And then if he backs off a tiny bit, and those segments will go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then go into the red line. So this is an aftermarket bit of kit. We fit lots of them. I don't know why we haven't done videos before, but we're trying to do a bit more for the Motorhome channel. And this is an aftermarket front and rear parking sensor kit. Front sensors are colour coded, rear sensors aren't colour coded, but they're with a buzzer, and the front is a display. if you've got something like this and you want that added reassurance of having a parking sensor system, you can just have rears only, but to have the full kit that works together in unison, have the front and rear, and it's a well worthy investment for your vehicle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Website is www.motorhomeretrofits.co.uk, and don't forget to like, and if you like our videos, don't forget to follow us again on Instagram as well. Have a good day.